Hey, buddy, welcome back to Glow Mode. Today, I'm going to show you how to max out your looks, step by step. No fluff, no fantasy, just real, practical tips to help you look your absolute best. Let's begin. Let's start with the basics. Your appearance is built on daily habits, so if you want to look better, you need to build better habits. Simple as that. First, your skin. Start a basic skincare routine. You don't need 10 fancy products, just 3 essentials: a gentle cleanser, a light moisturizer, and a sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Use these daily, morning and night. Brands like CeraVe, Cetaphil, and The Ordinary are safe, effective, and affordable. Even La Roche-Posay if you want something premium. Clear skin isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Keep it simple, and your skin will thank you. Now let's talk about your diet. Your skin, hair, and body are built from what you eat. So eat whole foods. That means fruits, vegetables, lean meats, eggs, and good carbs. Cut the processed junk. Drink less soda. Avoid too much sugar. If you hate cooking or don't have time, buy a slow cooker. It'll make healthy meals with 0 effort. Next up is sleep. No glow up is complete without good sleep. You need at least 7 to 8 hours every night. But not just any hours. Sleeping from 4 a.m. to noon won't help. Your body wants sleep when it's dark out. So sleep early. Turn off screens an hour before bed. Dim the lights. Let your brain wind down. Now let's move on to your body. Start going to the gym 3 to 5 times a week. Use a push-pull legs routine or an upper-lower split. Lift weights. Get stronger. Build muscle. It will change your entire appearance. Even if you're skinny, start today. Even if you're overweight, start today. Everyone benefits from strength training. Don't skip cardio. Cardio improves circulation. Better blood flow means better skin and more energy. Try incline walking on a treadmill. Set it to 12 incline, 3 miles per hour. Walk for 30 minutes. Do this 3 times a week. It's easy and powerful. Let's talk hydration. You've heard it 1,000 times, but here's the truth. Your body needs water. A lot of it. Buy a large water bottle. Keep it with you. Track how much you drink. Make hydration a habit. You'll feel better and your skin will glow. Now, let's fix your smile. Take care of your teeth. Floss every single day. Use a water flosser if you hate regular floss. Get a good electric toothbrush. Use it morning and night. Use a tongue scraper to keep your breath fresh. And try whitening strips once a week to brighten your teeth. A clean, white smile changes your whole face. Supplements can help too. Most people are low in vitamin D, especially if you have darker skin. Get a vitamin D3 supplement. Place it under your tongue for better absorption. Also try collagen powder. It helps with skin, hair, joints, and recovery. It's cheap and effective. Now let's fix your hair. Most guys use shampoo wrong. Use a gentle, non-stripping shampoo. Only wash your hair 2 to 3 times per week. Too much washing dries it out. Always follow with conditioner. Apply it to the middle and ends of your hair, never the roots. Add a few drops of rosemary oil to your shampoo. It helps your hair grow thicker and stay healthy. Take care of your scalp. Use a scalp brush to exfoliate once a week. If you have flakes, use Nizoral anti-dandruff shampoo. And know the difference between a dry scalp and dandruff. They are not the same. Dry scalp needs moisture. Dandruff needs antifungal treatment. If you're balding, don't panic. You have 2 options. 1, shave it all off. A clean shave can look amazing. 2, start treatment. Use minoxidil, finasteride, and microneedling. These are the only science-backed ways to slow or reverse hair loss. Get a haircut that fits your face. Ask your barber what styles suit you. Try a few styles before you settle. Use styling products. Pomade for neat styles. Sea salt spray for a messy, beachy look. Now, let's talk about grooming. Clean up your eyebrows. No, don't overpluck. Just remove stray hairs and a unibrow. Keep the shape natural and masculine. If your beard grows unevenly, don't worry. Use a derma roller and minoxidil to stimulate growth. If you can't grow one, go clean shaven. A neat shave looks better than a patchy beard. Now let's focus on facial details. Eat foods with beta-carotene like carrots and sweet potatoes. They give your skin a healthy glow from the inside out. Start mewing. It means keeping your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Over time, this can help define your jawline. Take care of your lips. Before bed, apply Aquaphor or Vaseline. In the morning, brush your lips gently to remove dead skin. Use under-eye masks 2 to 3 times a week. They help with puffiness and dark circles. You'll look more rested and refreshed. Try using a gua sha tool. It's a smooth stone used to massage your face. It boosts blood flow, reduces puffiness, and helps define facial features. Now that your body and face are on point, let's talk fashion. Your clothes should match your personality. Try different styles: minimal, streetwear, old money, edgy. Find what fits your vibe. Buy clothes that fit well. Baggy or oversized clothes can ruin your look. If needed, get your clothes tailored. Posture matters. Stand tall, shoulders back, chin up. Good posture instantly makes you look more confident and attractive. Smell good. Find a signature scent. Spray on your neck, wrists, and shirt. People remember how you smell more than how you dress. Here are a few bonus tips to stand out even more. Take cold showers 2 or 3 times per week. They improve circulation and skin clarity. They also wake you up fast. Smile more. A calm, confident smile changes everything. Practice in the mirror. Get used to your natural expression. Now let's talk about the biggest enemy of your looks: chronic stress. Stress ruins everything. It destroys hormones, breaks down muscle, ages your skin, kills motivation, and makes you look dull and tired. Take care of your mind. Journal, meditate, talk to someone. Take breaks when you need them. A stress-free mind is a foundation of a glowing face. And if after all of this, you're still not satisfied, you have one last option: hard maxing. That means cosmetic surgery. Things like rhinoplasty, jaw implants, hair transplants. And here's the truth: there's nothing wrong with this. If you've thought about it seriously and it feels right, then do it. No shame. Do what helps you become your best self. Now you've got the full blueprint. From skin and sleep to diet, gym, grooming, and mindset. Looksmaxing isn't about becoming someone else. It's about upgrading who you already are. Start today. Build your habits. Stay consistent. And your glow up is guaranteed. Thanks for watching Glow Mode. Subscribe for more no-nonsense glow up content 3 times in a week. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.